students, welcome to the English class. So today in this class we are going to learn about a lesson. Lesson number 9. Lesson number 9. Manu's raincoat. So who is Manu here? Who gave him raincoat? Shall we see that now? Okay. So on Sunday, Manu's parents got him a red raincoat. Mom, may I wear it now? Please. Asked Manu. No, my dear. It will rain soon. But just now the sky is clear, said Mom. Monday was bright and sunny. Will it rain today? Mom asked Manu. No, Manu, not today. If you wear your raincoat, you will look funny, said Mom. On Tuesday, the sky was blue. Mom, when will my wish come true? Asked Manu. Not today, my dear. There is just one white cloud in the sky, said Mom. Wednesday was hot. Mom, why doesn't it rain? Asked Manu. My dear, I think it will rain very soon. Maybe even before it is noon, said Mom. On Thursday, Manu went for a picnic. Mom, will it rain? Shall I take my raincoat with me? Asked Manu. No, my dear, it will not rain today. There are only white clouds in the sky, said Mom. Friday was cloudy. Mom, will it rain today? Asked Manu. It may, my dear. There are some dark clouds in the sky, said Mom. Saturday began with a bang boom. Mom, I can hear thunder. Will it rain very soon? Asked Manu. And then at last it started raining. Oh, it's raining, it's raining, sang Manu, running on the grass. But Manu called Mom, running after him. You forgot your raincoat. So who is the Manu here? See in this picture, you can see no? Who he is? He only Manu. और अम्मा ಯಾವ ಕಲರ್ raincoat ತಂದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? His mother gave him red raincoat. See here, which color it is, children? Red. With whom he is speaking? With his mother. Okay. So what is happening here? On Sunday, Manu's parents got him a red raincoat. ಒಂದಿನ ಅವರ ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮ ಏನ್ ತಂದ್ಕೊಟ್ರು ಅವನಿಗೆ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸು? Red raincoat. You will also like to wear red raincoat, no? Or any other color? You will also like, no? Yes. So, Ma, may I wear it now, please? Asked Manu. See, if your parents give you any gift, you want to wear that, no? ಈಗ ಹೊಸ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಹೊಸ ಹ್ಯಾಟ್, ಹೊಸ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ ಬಾಲ್ ಅಥವಾ ಹೊಸದೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಡಾಲ್ ಕೊಡಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ? ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕು, ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನನ್ನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಅದೇ ತರ ಹಿಯರ್ ಮನು ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಟು ವೇರ್ ದ ರೆಡ್ ರೈನ್ಕೋಟ್. ಮನು ಏನ್ ಅನ್ಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ನಾನು but his mother is telling, don't want now. So Monday was bright and sunny. So according by listening this story, you will learn the days of the week also. When Manu got the raincoat on Sunday. So how was the Monday? Monday was bright and sunny. So will it rain today? Ivat male barutta anta keltidane. So no Manu, not today. If you wear your raincoat, you will look funny. Said Ma. Ivat male baralla. ನೀನ್ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಈಗ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನಿನ್ನನ್ನ ನೋಡಿ ನಗ್ತಾರೆ. Don't wear today. Don't wear now, he's telling. Okay. So on Tuesday, the sky was blue. How was Tuesday? Tuesday, the sky was blue. Tuesday ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು? The sky was blue. Ma, when will my wish come true? Asked Manu. Not today, my dear. There is just one white cloud in the sky, said Ma. Ivattu male baralla ansutte because there is only one white cloud in the sky. The sky is clear means what, children? This means that is there are no clouds in the sky. So here Wednesday happened. How was the Wednesday? Wednesday was very hot. ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು Wednesday? ತುಂಬಾ ಬಿಸಿಲು, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಶಕೆ ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. So Ma, why doesn't it rain? Asked Manu. Now what is Manu asking? ಯಾಕೆ ಮಳೆ ಬರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ. My dear, I think it will rain very soon. Maybe even before it is noon. ಇವತ್ತು ತುಂಬಾ ಶಕೆ ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ? ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನದ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಮಳೆ ಬರಬಹುದು. After noon means what here? Before noon means ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನದ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಮಳೆ ಬರಬಹುದು. On Thursday, Manu went for a picnic. Where he went? Thursday he went for a picnic. Ma, will it rain? Shall I take my raincoat with me? ಇವತ್ತೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಮಳೆ ಬರುತ್ತಾ? ನಾನು ಮಳೆ raincoat ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಲಾ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ದೆ. No my dear, it will not rain today. There are only white clouds in the sky, said Ma. ಬೇಡ, ಇವತ್ತು ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ. Why only white clouds are in the sky? How you will get to know when it rains, children? ಮಳೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ? So in the sky there will be dark clouds. ಕಪ್ಪು ಮೋಡಗಳು ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಮಳೆ ಬರುವ ಸೂಚನೆ. ಅವಾಗ ಮಳೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So here mother is telling, don't take and go. Only white clouds are in the sky ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So it may, my dear, there are some dark clouds in the sky. Said Ma. Saturday began. So Friday what happened? Friday was cloudy. Friday ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು? ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮೋಡ ಇತ್ತು. So maybe today it's rain. So Saturday began with a bang boom. What happened Saturday? Saturday ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಗುಡುಗು ಮಿಂಚು ಬರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು. So Ma, I can hear thunder. It will rain very soon, asked Manu. And then at last it started raining. At last Saturday start to rain. So from Sunday he is waiting. When the rain start? On Saturday. So it's raining. Now you see this picture, children. Manu is running now. ಮಳೆ ಬರೋದನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಓಡಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸಿ, he forgot to wear. He is eagerly waiting to wear raincoat. raincoat ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ನ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಮಳೆ ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಅದು ಮರ್ತ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮಳೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆಟ ಆಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಸೊ now the mother is telling, You forgot your raincoat. You need raincoat na mart hogtidiya. Take your raincoat. Please wear and go. See how he is enjoying in rain. You will also enjoy, no? And see here clouds. Which color, children, clouds here? Dark color, no? Yes. So when the clouds will be in this color, then only we'll get the rain. So here, see how it is. Very hot. And which color are the clouds here? White color. And he is very sad here because it's not started to rain, no? That's why Manu is very sad in this picture. Okay? Have we understand this story now, children? Yes. So here in this story you have learnt days of the week and also about Manu. So tell me Sunday spelling. Yes, U-N-D-A-Y. Sunday. M-O-N-D-A-Y. Monday. T-U-E-S-D-A-Y. Tuesday. W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y. Wednesday. T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y. Thursday. F-R-I-D-A-Y. Friday. S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y. Saturday. Okay? Have you understand this now? Yes. So here the sky is clear means what I said. There are no clouds. Yes. So complete these sentences. So A main is there, children. Your match the following in page number 68. Sunday what happened? The sky was clear. Monday, the day was bright and sunny. Tuesday, the sky was blue. Wednesday, it was a hot day. Thursday, there were white clouds in the sky. Friday, what happened Friday? There are dark clouds in the sky. Saturday, it was a rainy day. And here, complete these sentences. Manu's parents got him a dash raincoat, red raincoat. Manu went for a picnic on Thursday. Manu heard the sound of dash on Saturday, thunder. He ran out without his raincoat. Write these answers in your textbook, children. And remaining question and answer I will send you in a group pic. Okay? Yes. So here complete these sentences with the correct words. I, you or it we have to use here. In the bracket they have given what we have to use. First one, dash or very polite. You are very polite. Second one, my name is Anil. Dash am in class first. I or we am. I am. Yes. Third one, dash or a good boy. You are a good boy. Tony is my brother. Dash or reading a book together. We are reading a book together. Sabah dash can sit here. You can sit here. Have you understand this one? Okay, children. So remaining textbook exercises and notes and all